The idea of engineered seeds, often associated with genetically modified organisms (GMOs), can be a topic of debate and concern for several reasons. It's important to note that public opinion on this topic can vary widely, and not everyone has the same perspective. Here are some common reasons why some people may have reservations about engineered seeds. 1. Environmental concerns. Critics of engineered seeds raise environmental concerns, such as the potential for genetic modifications to escape into the wild, disrupting natural ecosystems, and harming non-target species. There is also concern about the impact of GMO crops on soil quality and biodiversity. 2. Unknown long-term effects. Some people worry about the long-term effects of consuming GMOs and whether they might have health implications that are not yet fully understood. They argue for more comprehensive and long-term safety testing. 3. Corporate control. A significant issue associated with GMOs is the control exercised by biotech companies over patented GMO seeds. Critics argue that this can lead to farmers becoming dependent on a few large corporations for their seed supply, potentially limiting agricultural diversity and the rights of farmers. 4. Allergic reactions. There are concerns about potential allergens or other health risks that might result from GMOs, especially when certain genes from allergenic organisms are used in genetic modification. 5. Herbicide and pesticide resistance. The development of GMOs that are resistant to herbicides and pesticides has led to increased use of these chemicals in agriculture. Critics argue that this can have negative effects on the environment, including pesticide-resistant weeds and insects. 6. Labeling and transparency. Some individuals simply want more transparency and labeling of GMO products, so they can make informed choices about what they consume. The lack of clear labeling laws in some regions has been a point of contention. 7. Ethical and moral concerns. For some, there are ethical and moral concerns about the genetic modification of organisms. They may believe that it is unnatural, that it interferes with the natural order, or that it poses unknown risks. 8. Socioeconomic issues. There are concerns about the potential impacts of GMOs on small-scale and subsistence farmers in developing countries. Critics argue that the introduction of GMOs can lead to economic and social challenges for these communities. It's important to recognize that not all concerns about engineered seeds are universally accepted, and scientific research has been conducted to assess the safety and impact of GMOs on the environment and human health. The debate over engineered seeds is ongoing, and regulatory agencies in many countries have established guidelines and requirements for the testing and approval of GMOs. Public opinion and regulatory approaches can vary widely from one region to another.